Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because I have so much in store for y'all today. Yeah, I'm just happy to be filming because like my voice has been gone for 3 days and I'm just now getting it back. So here we are. First things first, I will be doing another giveaway, and this time I partner with Jord watches. So Jord reached out to me to send me one of their wood watches. So I normally wear watches on a day-to-day basis. I either have on my Apple Watch or I have on a regular Michael Kors watch. I was super happy to partner with them and to be able to do a giveaway because I think you guys will like it. Like, these watches are super cute, and I think going into spring, this is just another accessory that you guys or girls can add to your collection. We're coming up on Mother's Day and Father's Day. I think this would be a good idea, like a good gift. Like, this is so pretty. So I got one of the Kors series, and I think this is the Rose and Zebra, but it is so pretty. And it's this pretty pink color in the center with zebra stripes, and I think it was perfect, especially now that we're in spring. Like, this would just be so cute to pop on my wrist, you know, like a wrist statement. This will be a perfect Mother's Day, Father's Day, if your bae birthday coming up, if your bae's birthday is coming up and he or she likes to wear watches, you should definitely head over to their site and check out their selection and enter my giveaway. You can win a free one. And so look, you save money and you get a quality watch. Like, that's a win-win. That is a win-win, is it not? So moving on to the other reason why I'm super excited. So if you guys follow me, you know that I recently joined the CoverGirl family, and y'all, this box that they sent me, like let me tell you, the ladies in my leasing office, they were like, I'm excited for you. Like, what is in the box? Can you open it here? CoverGirl just showed up and showed out with this box. And you guys, I work in marketing. I was a marketing major in undergrad, and I'm in international marketing right now. And I am a sucker for packaging. I'm a sucker for marketing and all things creative. So I was super in love when I opened this box. Like, when you open it, it has a video in here and it starts playing.
What does my face tell you? Does it say that I'm vain? Or does it tell you that I'm strong? That I'll run this company someday? Mascara.
The video is just playing. I don't know how to stop it. I don't think you can stop these things. I know where I work at, we do these kind of things, and one of them you can't press play or pause. It just plays through. So yeah, CoverGirl sent me this, so I'm gonna go through it. They sent me, I got lips, eyes, and skin. So this is just gonna be basically an unboxing, and first, you know, it's gonna be an unboxing and just trying on some of the stuff. Now, they did send me a package maybe about a month and a half ago, and I've tried the skin stuff that they have in there, so that's not new to me. I'm gonna be doing my face using the products in this box. However, there's no foundation in here, so in the skin collection, they have the Vitalist Glow Luminizing Lotion, the Vitalist Healthy Powder, the Vitalist Healthy Concealer, the Look Lock Up Setting Mist, the True Blend Pre-Coloring Corrector Palette, the Vitalist Healthy Glow Highlighter. Alrighty, so like I said, they sent me a package about a month and a half ago, and so I have the whole I have the whole Vitalist collection already, so that's not new to me, and I actually really liked it. I was doing training for the military at the time, my annual training, so I had filmed a video and my footage got like jacked up. But if you follow me on Instagram and Snap, you saw where I did an unboxing, I showed the products, and yeah, the video just never made it to my channel. RIP to that video. But yeah, and these all range anywhere between $8.99 and $9.99. So again, affordable for y'all that say I don't have anything affordable. These are affordable, you guys. But this is the luminizing lotion. This is the powder, the Vitalist Healthy Powder. This is the only thing I didn't receive in the Vitalist collection was in the previous box they sent me was the powder. So I don't know how that is. The concealers and the mist. So first things first, I'm gonna use the luminizing lotion as a primer for my face. Alrighty, so I'm going in with their luminizing lotion. So I already know what color I'm going to use. I'm going to use Daybreak. That was back in like like how moisturizing it feels. And it doesn't have a scent to it. I feel like a lot of luminizing products have like this strong fragrance scent, and I just don't like it. I'm gonna go in with the Vitalist Healthy Concealer. This one is available in 6 shades. And you guys, it's a lot of stuff in here, and I'm obviously not all these shades, so I mean, there would definitely be a giveaway. I pumped out a lot of product. So as you can see, it blends out very well, and it kind of just melts right into your skin. You guys, that's an easy blend. Like, this blended out so easily. I didn't even do a lot. Like, I didn't have to do, I should have got a thing to hold my hair back, but I didn't have to do a lot. Like, as you can see, well, as you saw, but I didn't have to do a lot. So I really like that. I didn't have to do a lot. As far as coverage, I would say it's medium coverage. It's very natural. It's not like, it's not full coverage. If you're needing someone to conceal, like conceal, like get up in there, I think you would definitely need another layer, and even that is pushing it. It's still, I feel like it will still blend out to a medium coverage. So if you're looking to like really conceal dark circles, I think this is more so on that natural and kind of just bringing out your inner glow side, so you're not gonna get that full, you know, conceal, you know. You see, I have dark circles under my eyes, and even then you can still see it peeking through. I mean, they also did send color corrector, but I'm not gonna dabble in that just yet. But I feel like for the most part, as far as like a natural glow, and I feel like that's what the Vitalist Healthy Collection is about, just that natural inner glow that it's not full coverage. I've used CoverGirl products before, and they have other options and other concealers that can give you more of a full coverage than the Vitalist Healthy Concealer. In this, we have our Easy Breezy Brow Micro Fine Define Pencil, that's long, our Easy Breezy Brow Sculpt Set Brow Pomade, our Katy Kat 8-pan eyeshadow palette, our True Naked Smoky Shadow Palette, our Get In Line liquid eyeliner, our Peacock Flare Mascara, and Lid Locket Eyeshadow Primer. So we have all that in here. I tend to, when something works for me, I just like to stick with it. So this is the Easy Breezy Brow Micro Fine Define Pencil. This is a tongue twister. So I'm using the shade Soft Brown, and this kind of reminds me of Benefit, my holy grail, Precisely My Brow, because it's very fine, and it lets you like get up in there, and you have like so much control. And I think that's what I love about this one. So that's what it reminds me of. And the good thing about this is this one retails for $6.99 versus my Benefits, it retails for like 20 something or 18. It's like 18 or 20 something dollars. So let's see how it goes on before I'm like, this is a dupe. Nice. So I like this, because as you can see, it doesn't take much. It really doesn't take much. Y'all don't mind my lace is coming up on the side. It's not secure. Definitely like the brow pencil. I can definitely see myself using this, like swapping, like going back and forth between this and my Benefit Precisely My Brow, because like I said, I like to have that control over my brow pencil. I'm using the Katy, I think I'm gonna use the Katy Kat hot palette. So I'm moving too fast. There's a freaking eyeshadow primer. So okay, so I'm gonna do one eye without the primer and then one eye with the primer. How about that? You see how I corrected that? Think fast. Think fast. That's cute or whatever. Alrighty, so the powders. So We have the Vitalist Healthy Glow powders, and I think this is just 4 shades, but the range, I don't know what this powder is used for, but it's not, the range as far as shades, it's not there. So I don't know what's going on here. They're Vitalist Glow. They have these, like I said, I've used these before. In the last package they sent me, they only sent 2, so I'm glad they sent, I guess this would be the rest of these shades that it comes in. So okay, those are clearly not my shades. So I see why they sent me what they sent me. And I'm just gonna pop it. Here we go. I'm just gonna pop it. And it's literally, all you have to do is pat. Just press this in. And it literally gives your skin like more of that, like just a luminous, like natural glow, which I like. Like, it's the perfect, if you don't want to do too much, this is like the perfect blend between like not doing too much with like how you would typically. I think with a regular highlighter it's so much easier to go overboard, and with this I feel like you have more control of the product, and it kind of like just seeps into your skin, so it gives it like that skin like appeal. We're gonna go into the lips. It's so many like these are all gorgeous, like, and then there's some at the top of the box as well. I can't lift that up because that's what the video message thingy is in. But we have the Melting Pot Matte Liquid Lipsticks, and they're available in 12 shades. And yeah, they're available in 12 shades. They give you high impact, super rich, cool color with lightweight matte finish infused with nourishing ingredients that glide on easily for a smooth finish. Interesting. Then we have the Katie Lip Gloss that's also available in 12 shades. We have the Queen Collection Major Shade Liquid Matte Lipstick that's also available in 12 shades, and the Melting Pot Glitz Top Coat available in 2 shades. So all these retail everything from $6.99 to $8.99. So for all y'all saying that I never have anything affordable, or I'm never showing products that's affordable, you guys, CoverGirl is affordable. It's drugstore. It's affordable. It's affordable. Okay, let's just go dark. I'm just gonna go with this Major Shade and do Wedding Crasher. Oh, so this is Wedding Crasher. Let's try this. I wonder how this is gonna work because I put a gloss on my lips and now I'm doing this. So all right, you guys, that's it. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you again to CoverGirl just for making me a part of the family and sending me the new spring collection. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys loved it as well. If you want to see swatches and stuff, I will have it over on my Instagram at shadelleG. If you want to see more swatches, but this was just me kind of playing in the makeup, just seeing stuff. And for the most part, I like everything about the 2018 spring collection. Like I said, the shade range can be a lot more larger because like I didn't have anything to contour with. I just felt like all the shades, at least that was inside this box, was just too light for me to even contour with. And then the other one was like more so of my skin tone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, if you want to enter my giveaway to win your own Jord watch, the link will be in the description box below. So make sure you guys enter, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.